So, you've done the hard work. You've crushed the GMAT, poured your heart into those essays, and you've got your offer from Cambridge. The dream is so close. But then there's that final piece of the puzzle, the funding. And yet, it can feel like a huge mountain to climb, but it really doesn't have to be. Over the next few minutes, we're going to build a clear, manageable strategy to make it happen. Here's how we're going to tackle this. We've got 5 simple steps. First, we'll get a feel for the big picture, the incredible community you're about to join. Then, we'll talk timing, because that is absolutely crucial. After that, we'll break down the 2 main options, scholarships and loans, before we go on a bit of a treasure hunt to find the awards that are a perfect fit for you. And then we'll wrap it all up by building your personal action plan. Sound good? Let's go. All right, so before we even get into the numbers and deadlines, let's start with the most important question. What are you really investing in? See, the Cambridge MBA isn't just a piece of paper. It is your ticket into a powerful, global family that's going to pay dividends for the rest of your career. First thing you'll notice is the commitment to balance. Almost half the class are women. And a number like that doesn't just happen by chance. It's the result of powerful initiatives like the Forte Foundation Fellowships, which can be worth up to £40,000. So for all you strong female leaders out there, that's a huge signal.
And the diversity here is seriously global. We're talking 49 nationalities. Imagine your project team, it's not just people from different companies. It's people from completely different corners of the world. You're learning how business gets done from Sao Paulo to Singapore, literally, without leaving your seat.
And you'll be part of a very intentionally sized group of 244 people. Now, that's the magic number. It's big enough for all that incredible diversity we just talked about, but it's small enough that you actually get to know everyone. You're going to build real, lasting connections here.
And that really gets to the heart of it. The whole point of this experience is transformation. It's not just about learning finance or marketing. It's about shaping you into a global leader who can go out there and make a real difference. That's the investment. Okay, so you see the value, you get what you're investing in. Now let's talk strategy. And the most critical element of any good strategy is timing. When it comes to your MBA application and your funding, believe me, timing is everything. Cambridge runs on 5 application rounds, and you gotta pay attention here. They start early. I mean, round 1 closes in September. That's a full year before you'd even start the program. This calendar is your first big strategic hint. And here's why that matters so much. If you take one thing away from this, let it be this. A lot of the big scholarships are handed out on a rolling basis. Think of it like a big pot of money that's full at the beginning. The school starts giving it out to great candidates as soon as they're admitted. By the time you get to the later rounds, that pot is a whole lot smaller. Applying in round 1 or 2 gives you the absolute best shot. Okay, so let's talk about the actual tools you're going to use to fund this thing. It really boils down to 2 main options, scholarships and loans. And knowing the difference is key to building a smart plan. It's actually pretty straightforward. Think of scholarships as free money. It's gift aid. It's awarded to you for your achievements and your potential, and you never have to pay it back. Loans, on the other hand, are an investment in yourself. It's money you borrow that you will pay back with interest once you've graduated and are earning that great MBA salary. All right, now for the fun part. Let's go find you some money. This is where you get to play detective and find the scholarships that feel like they were made just for you. The options can seem overwhelming, so let's break them down into a few simple categories. First up, where are you from? So many scholarships are based on your nationality. You've got major awards for people from the Middle East, a full-ride scholarship for Malaysian citizens, and a huge chunk of funding for Australians. Seriously, your very first step should be to look for awards tied to your home country. Next up, let's talk about building that diverse class we mentioned earlier. Well, Cambridge really puts its money where its mouth is. There's significant funding available for women leaders through the Forte Foundation, for leaders in the LGBTQ+ community through RAMBA, and for military veterans who are moving into the business world. What you've done in your career can also be your golden ticket. There are huge awards like the Sainsbury Management Fellowship just for engineers and scientists. But what if you're coming from a different world, say the arts or healthcare or a nonprofit? Well, there's the Bridge to Business Scholarship, designed specifically to support your unique journey. And you really shouldn't underestimate just how big some of these awards are. Some of them are total game changers. I mean, look at this. The Sainsbury Foundation Scholarship is a full ride. It covers the entire tuition fee for one person from the UK or Italy. It just completely removes that financial barrier. And some scholarships give you something that's maybe even more valuable than money: experience. The Banani Foundation Award is a perfect example. Yeah, it covers 75% of your tuition, which is amazing, But it also includes a 2-month, all-expenses-paid internship in Monaco. I mean, come on, what an incredible career boost that is. So, we've seen the incredible community, we've got the timeline down, and we've explored this whole world of scholarships. The last big question is, how do you pull all of this together into a real plan that you can actually follow? It's this simple, just a 4-step plan. Step 1, dive deep into the Cambridge Judge website and do your research. Step 2, create a shortlist. Find 5 to 10 scholarships where you read the description and think, hey, that's me. Step 3, take the time to write really compelling applications for each one. And step 4, I'm going to say it one more time, apply early. Give yourself the best possible shot. Because, when you really think about it, this whole funding strategy, it isn't really about the money. It's about getting the key that unlocks the door. It lets you stop worrying about how you're going to get there and start focusing on the only question that really matters. What impact are you going to make?